In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a MailerLite email automation sequence. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Email marketing can significantly enhance your outreach, and one of the best tools for managing this process is MailerLite. Today, I'll walk you through a detailed step-by-step guide on how to create an email automation sequence. So let's dive right in. To get started, the very first thing you want to do is open your MailerLite dashboard. Once you're logged in, you need to find the Automations tab. This is usually located on the left-hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. Now, once you're in the Automations menu, you'll see an option that says Create Workflow. Click on that. You will then be given some options for how you want to build your workflow. For our purposes today, let's choose Start from Scratch. All right, now it's time to set your trigger. A trigger is what will kick off your email sequence. For example, if you want the sequence to start when a subscriber joins a specific group or list, you would select that option. This is a crucial step, so make sure to choose the right trigger based on your marketing goals. After you select your trigger, don't forget to save it. There's usually a button that says Save or something similar at the bottom of the screen. Now you've set up your trigger, it's time to add your first action. Click on the plus button, which will allow you to add a new step to your automation sequence. The option you're looking for here is Send Email. Click on that, and you'll be directed to a new page where you can enter all your email details. You'll need to fill in some important information. First, enter your subject line. Make it catchy and relevant to grab your readers' attention. Following that, you will also need to fill in the sender information. This usually includes the name and email address that you want your subscribers to see. After you've done that, it's time to design your email. Here, you'll have plenty of options to customize your email, including text, images, buttons, and more. Take your time to make it visually appealing and ensure it conveys your message clearly. Once you're satisfied with your email design, save your work. Now that your first email is ready, let's incorporate a little strategy into your sequence. Click on the plus button again to add a new step. This time, you're going to want to add a delay step. This feature allows you to determine how long you want to wait before sending the next email. The duration could be a few hours, days, or however long you prefer depending on your campaign's needs. Select the appropriate time frame that works best for you and save the delay. Once you've set your delay, it's time to add your second email. You can do this by clicking the plus button again and selecting Send Email. Just like before, you'll set your subject line, sender information, and design the content of your second email. This email can follow up on the previous one, provide additional information, or even offer a special discount. The key is to keep your audience engaged. After you've crafted your second email, feel free to repeat the steps we've outlined to continue adding more emails to your sequence. Think about the flow of communication you want to maintain with your subscribers, making sure to balance informational content with engaging material. Before you wrap up, it's essential to review your entire workflow. Take a moment to ensure that everything is in order: the triggers, delays, and emails. Check for any typos or design issues. When you're confident that everything is perfect, it's time to activate your workflow. Look for the Activate button at the top or bottom of the screen and click it. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an email automation sequence in MailerLite. Congratulations on taking this important step in your email marketing strategy. Remember to monitor your emails, performance, and tweak your workflow as necessary over time. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on email marketing and automation. Happy emailing!